can't.
Oh, wow. Huh? What are you doing?
Oh, she pooped. She pooped.
She pooped. She almost pooped on you. You almost got pooped on. Oh, it was getting ready. Oh, she's pooping again. Did y'all see that drop in there? Oh my gosh.
It's Crafty. It's Crafty Tae van. It's Crafty. It's Crafty Tae van. It's Crafty. It's Crafty van. It's Crafty. It's Crafty Tae van. Hey, Crafty Tae van. So today it's Van here, and we're about to unbox the Flamingo that it has to go potty.
Yeah, it's called the Gotta Go Flamingo. I know y'all probably seen this at Walmart. She's about to do the unboxing to see how it works.
Yeah.
So what does it do? You're supposed to feed it.
Yeah, and then it poops.
Oh shoot! You get magical.
But we have to turn it on with the stove.
Oh.
Let it go.
Uh-oh.
Let it go.
So the flamingo says it got to go. It got to go to the bathroom.
Yeah.
It repeats what it repeats what you say. It will copy you right here, you all. It says it repeats what you will say.
And guys, we're gonna add the food and the scissors to cut it open.
You're gonna add the food and the scissors to cut it open?
No, we have to cut it open first.
Oh, okay. All right. So let's get.
This part open.
We got that. So we're just cutting off the little
Tire.
thing. Let me grab that. All right. So we'll have adult supervision right now. So let's just get this thing done quickly.
So we can.
So what else we have?
Oh,
Okay.
it's still more on the side.
So where is it on the side?
Yeah.
All right.
I have to try to get this out, guys.
Mm-hmm.
We got the food out from here.
Okay. So maybe we have to tear this box down. I don't know.
Yeah, we have to.
Let's see. Let's tear this box down.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, we almost got her out.
Got her out? Well, she's in something. I don't know what she's in. So we got the toilet out.
Yeah.
With the toilet. And what is this thing? It's just the what to sit on?
No.
Little
We
pee-pee
have
thing
to
to sit on?
put the food in. And
That's
then,
huh? It got holes at the bottom, doesn't it?
no,
Oh.
it won't come out.
I think that's for the toilet, I think.
No, look at this direction.
The directions? It does come with directions.
Look.
Let's try to get this thing here apart. Alright, it's a little, so it has a little twisty thing in here, it looks like. That you have to take off. And I think you just twist it and it simply comes off. So that's how you get that off, so you won't break
guys.
your...
We get to take
Oh,
off
look
this.
at these little wobbly legs.
Guys, we get to take off this.
Oh, nice.
So we get to take off this. We have to.
Alright, so we'll put all that trash to the side. Alright,
We
so
need
what are we
some
going to do?
water.
We need some water. We did bring a bottle of water.
Yeah.
Let me grab the water.
Oh, I got
So
it.
we do have a bottle of water. Alright, so what do we do? Did we read the directions first? What do we do first?
First, we put the water. Wait.
That's what it say? Let me see.
First, we put the
Alright,
water.
so it already had battery in it, so we can skip all the battery stuff. Alright, it's showing you how to feed it. It says open the Gotta Go Flamingo's beak. And then, yep, this is the feeder.
Oh, we get to turn it off.
You will basically... Huh? Let's
It's
see.
honk honk.
Oh, let's see. Oh, so you got it. All right, let's see. Let's see if it. Let's see. All right, so this is. So it has to try me. That's what.
So it has to try me. That's what.
Oh, it's repeating what I'm saying. Hey. Hey, Flamingo.
Hey, Flamingo. Say
Oh,
hi
God.
to my house TV.
No, Crafty Tae van. Oh my gosh, that is pretty neat.
Yeah.
You say something.
You say something. What? 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 Oh, shoot.
That is pretty cool.
Yeah.
All right, so let's get to the feeding. All right, so we guys. Just gonna repeat everything I
Okay,
say.
we're gonna turn it off. Okay, here we go.
All right, just cut it off. Nice. Okay, we cut it off. All right. All right. So basically, you feed it like that. You just put the beak back. You put the beak back like that, and you'll simply just pour it on in there. But it is like a little hole right here. It's gonna say it gotta go.
Yeah, I opened the food.
Okay. You open the food.
Yeah.
All right. So what we do? Are we gonna put it in the?
Oh.
So we're gonna put it in the.
We need some water.
So we're gonna put. Okay. So we're gonna put some magical food in here and water.
Water in the toilet.
In the toilet.
Yeah. So I would need my dad
Okay.
to help.
All right. So we'll put a little bit of water in the
And I'll
toilet,
hold it.
so you can see. That's good. I think that's good. I don't
But-
think we need a lot. Okay.
Okay, so now
So
we just
do
need
we-
at the top.
All right. Let's see.
Some water.
Using the scoop, pour the flamingo food. All right. No
Can you help
water,
me, Daddy?
but food. All right. So we'll put the flamingo food in the mouth.
Daddy,
All
can you
right.
help me open
So
this?
not the water.
Can you help me put this on?
What, this?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's see.
Let's see. So we don't get to put the water in? So we don't get to put the water in? Guys, look at the food. That sounds so cool.
I thought that flushed you off. All right, so put some food in here. All right, try not to waste. That should be good.
We need a little bit
A
more.
little bit more. She said that flamingo's hungry. See, you put too much. Then we're gonna have more food left.
No, it's gonna dry up, guys, if we put some water and dry up.
It's gonna dry up.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. All right, so we're gonna turn it around. All right.
And-
So I'll hold the beak like that, and you will pour it in there.
Okay, now you have
You think it's good?
Put it-
Wait.
put it on the toilet. Put it on the toilet.
Now? Put it on the toilet now?
Yes.
All right, we're gonna set it on the toilet.
And then we might put a little
And then
bit
what
more
happens?
on.
A little bit more. All right, let me see.
And then we have to turn it on.
Oh yeah. So it said when it sings, quickly place them on the toilet. So you got to cut them on now? Did you cut them on? So do we? Uh oh. Let's see. Let's see if it's gonna go. Oh, it's eating.
Why didn't it go?
Oh, it didn't poop. Did it?
Didn't
It didn't
poop.
poop. Did you put enough in there?
Oh, I need to.
All right, let's try a little bit more.
Let's pour some. I put a lot in
You
her
poured a
mouth.
lot. Let's see. Oh yeah, that was a good little amount. Let's try.
Not going.
All right. So do you have it on?
Yeah, it's on.
Oh, you just put her fingers in the flamingo's mouth.
Because we have to put the food in it.
Oh, okay. So do we have it on?
Yeah. Oh.
No, you got it on. Try me. Let's see something. Pressure now. Pressure.
No,
It's
it's
over here.
we can't.
Oh, wow. What are you doing?
Oh, she pooped.
I just
She pooped.
she pooped. She almost pooped on you. You almost got pooped on. Oh, it was getting ready. Oh, she's pooping again. Did y'all see that drop in there? Oh my god. Oh my gosh, that thing is pooping. You think that's it? You think that's it?
That's it.
Yeah, I think that's it.
That's it.
It copied me.
Okay, let's turn this one on.
Alright, we're gonna cut it off.
Ew!
You're gonna see that poop. Let's show them the poop. Uh-oh.
Go.
Alright, let's show them the poop.
Look, the poop.
Let's take the top off. Let's see. Did you gonna stick your hand in there to get the poop?
No.
Isn't it gonna be hard? Poop? See if it's hard poop. Put your hand in there.
No, you.
I'm gonna put my hand in there. Let's see. Oh, it goes together. Watch this.
Give me it.
Oh shoot.
There you go.
Mm. Flamingo poop. Magical flamingo poop. I never touched magical flamingo poop.
Oh gosh, we need to make it dry up.
So how you do that?
Let's
Let's see what this direction says. Okay, so we made it poop. And then you're supposed to pour it in back into the scoop. Okay. Let's put this back in the bag. Cause we gotta pour that in here.
But there's gonna be water.
It said pour, huh? That's why I'm gonna pour this back in here, so this won't get wet. Let's pour that back in here so it won't get wet.
Yeah, there we go.
That was easy. Just pour that back in there. All right,
Just
so
pour
now
that
we're
in.
supposed to pour
it.
that water,
So my dad's gonna pour it in.
that poopy water in there. Oh, it's gonna drain, so we gotta go over a toilet. Hold on. I mean, you gotta go over a sink. So you have to. So this must be reusable. Instant dry, so it's gonna dry instantly. That is pretty cool, y'all. So you can continue to keep using this as long as you don't waste it all over the floor. So maybe we'll put this in a Ziploc bag, and then because it's gonna instantly dry. Oh, that's dry. Once you take it out, it's pretty much dry. That's crazy. That is crazy. All right, so we need to empty this.
Yeah.
In here.
Yeah, this is
so we
pretty
need
cool. I got my dad back.
All right, I'm back. I got a pink bowl for the pink flamingo.
Yeah.
All right, since I got a big bowl, I'm gonna let you pour the water in there.
Okay.
Let's see if you can do it. Let's see if you can do it. Uh-oh. Keep going. She's doing it, y'all. That is sick, y'all. It is really instantly dry.
Oh, it's dry.
That is crazy.
It's crazy.
That is crazy. It's
Guys.
like, let me show them close up.
Yeah, it's actually crazy.
Look at this.
Now we can actually pour more in it.
Look, it's instantly dry already. Look, it's not even wet at all.
Okay, let's pour a little bit more.
So the people that made this, maybe you should.
Buy this in
Huh?
Target.
Why are you putting it back in here? You're gonna put some more in the mouth? You gonna do it again?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, we try to do a lot this time.
Yeah.
Let's try to put a lot in this mouth.
Okay.
But anyway, hold on real quick. So the people that made this maybe have a baggie, a reusable baggie, maybe with a zip on it. Or like a container or something that they could put it back in.
From Target.
Because once this is waste everywhere, then I don't think they're going to be able to have no more magical poop. You know? You don't want them to put any kind of stuff in there, then it messes up your flamingo neck. But I bought a Ziploc bag.
Yeah.
Alright, so I'm going to pour this in the Ziploc bag.
No.
Before we waste everywhere. Yes. Yes. So I'm going to pour all that in there. Because I don't want this to waste all over the place. So you can have...
In trouble.
So you... No, not in trouble. So you can have some more flamingo food. Okay? Alright, let's feed this thing one more time. Oh, we got to pour the water back in there. Let's pour the water back in there. This is pretty cool, man. It's reusable. Everything is reusable,
We're
even the
gonna
water.
try to put it a lot in there.
Yeah, let's try to pour a lot in there this time.
Okay, there's a lot.
So you pour it all in there?
Yeah?
Nice. Alright, let's put them. Is it on?
I think.
No, you gotta cut it on. Hold on. You gotta sit them on the toilet before you press that. You gotta sit on the toilet. Oh, you gotta put the thing on. Oh my God, you set them on a bare toilet. That's almost like when a guy or a boy leave the toilet seat up and then the girl sit on the bare toilet. That's gross. That's good, boo. Alright, put it on because you gotta put it on first. You have to put it on first. Put it on. There you go. You can press the button now.
Oh, gotta go. Oh,
Gotta go. Oh, gotta go. Oh, gotta go. Alright, let's press it again.
Oh, gotta go. Oh, gotta go.
Oh, you know what?
Gotta go.
Do you got it on try? Maybe we still got it on try. Hold on. Let's get it on. Oh, we got it on try me. So you have to put. You gotta put it on. You gotta put it on. Hey, Flamingo.
Hey, Flamingo.
Crafty Tae My gosh. All right, press the button now.
My God. All right, press the button now. My God. All right, press the button now. My God. All right, press the button now. My God. All right, press the button now.
Poop.
It's not pooping.
All right, press it. Let's see.
All right, press it. Let's see. All right, press it. Let's see. Stop.
You gonna put it on? All right. You gonna put it back on? Try me.
Gotta go. Gotta go. Gotta go.
Nothing.
Just a little bit.
I think that's from earlier.
Gotta go.
Gotta go. Oh, gotta go. Oh, I gotta poop. I gotta go.
It's not pooping.
That's not what it said. All right, let's put it back on. Let's see. There it goes. There it goes. So once you put it on, then you set it on there. And I think you press the button. But I think it was trying to repeat what we were saying, and it wasn't pooping. Ooh. It pooped a lot. Oh. You can close the mouth. I didn't know that. Let's see if it barks. Roof, roof. It barked. Oh, that's a lot of poop. That is pretty cool. So how do you like this? So how did you like this? So you spent your own money on this. How much did you spend? Do you remember?
How much did you spend? Do you remember? 40?
You had 40. I think it was $29. So you spent $30-something.
I really want. Okay,
So this is a whopping $30-something, you all. But it's a cool toy. I mean, it's reusable. It repeats after you. Crafty Tae and Van. I like that. It's repeating.
Still repeating.
All right, we're gonna cut it off. We're gonna cut it off.
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna drain this for the last time.
Yeah, and then we're gonna keep playing it.
All right, let's see what you got.
I got it.
Let's not miss it. Keep going.
It's really drying. It's
It's
drying.
really dry. Let me tap it. There we go.
Dried,
That
and
is
it's
all
drying.
dry. So we're gonna put that in this bag.
There might be water in it.
No, it's not water in there. That is pretty sweet.
Neat.
All right, people. So hopefully y'all enjoyed this unboxing with the Gotta Go Flamingo. It was pretty cool. She's gonna continue to play with this after this video, you all.
All this out.
Yeah. All right. So you need to let the fans know what you want to do to your channel.
Maybe get more toys.
No, what they need to do to your channel. You need to like and subscribe, right?
Like us.
All right. They can't hear you.
Bye. Like and subscribe.
All right. Now say bye to them.
Bye.
Bye, Crafty Tae and Van fans.
Peace.